Okay, this is Abbey Wood Station. There's two sets of lifts here. Oh look, there's one coming up now. And there's also one already here. Oh, that one's going down. Okay, let's go down. Here's a Stannah. Well, it's a hydraulic. Here we are at street.
Is that proof for one more? Yeah.
Yeah. Mày跟住我哋過 barrier 啦。
Okay, and the other side. Down to street level. This is lift A, apparently. These are roped hydraulic, I believe, actually. Capacity 16 persons or 1200 kgs. Actually managed to get a ride to ourselves this time. And here we are back at station level. There we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.